Hello, we are going to be talking about how to format an outline in MLA format. So the first thing I am going to do is make my font Times New Roman because we always type everything in Times New Roman, 12-point font, and we're going to make it double spaced. I am going to go into my header and I'm going to type the student's last name. So my last name was Wells, and the same thing, I'm going to make that Times New Roman 12-point font, and then I'm going to insert my page number. I'm going to highlight that and put it on the right hand side. I'm going to double click to come back out, and then I'm going to type the student's name, so my name, the teacher's name. I'm going to put the name of the class. I'm also going to put the date that it's due. When you write the date, you always want to put the day and then the month spelled out and then the year. I'm then going to put the title of my outline. And then I'm going to highlight that and put it in the middle. And I'm just going to change the font to make it a little different. So then when I start my MLA format, I'm going to do a capital letter I and a period. I'm going to space twice and it'll automatically send it over. So I'm going to do my introduction in my first paragraph. I am going to talk about symbolism in my second paragraph. I am going to talk about fiction in my third paragraph. And I plan to talk about imagery in my fourth paragraph. And then my fifth paragraph will be the conclusion. So it's nice because Google Docs and Microsoft Word will both space it for you and number it. So I'm going to go back to my introduction. I'm going to press enter and then I'm going to tab. And through the tab, it's going to automatically number it as an A. And I'm going to put my hook. And then I'm going to write my bridge. Then my other topic is going to be my thesis. And then I will state what my essay map is. And that way I can just put in those things as I think of them. So for the symbolism, I know that I'm going to want my topic sentence. And then I will introduce my quotation. And then I will give my quotation. And I'm going to explain how the quotation fits my thesis. Then I'm actually just going to copy and paste. So I'm going to highlight it and do Control C to copy it. And I'm going to go down to diction and I'm just going to paste that information. I'm going to tab over again. I'm going to do Control V in order to paste all of those things. And then for the conclusion, I'm going to restate my thesis, summarize examples, and I'm going to refer to the hook and provide the nugget of knowledge. Now I have the actual format of an MLA outline, so I can really just kind of go in and then highlight and type my hook and then highlight and start typing my bridge or whatever information that I need. Anytime you have an A, you have to have a B. Anytime you have a Roman numeral 1, you have to have a Roman numeral 2. So same thing down here. If I wanted 2 subtopics under letter B, I would then give number 1, but then I would also have to have a number 2. You cannot have a one by itself. If you have one subtopic, you must have a second one. So same thing. So I hope this has helped.